Hi friends, it's me, Baby John. I just arrived in California. This place is so cool. Look at the beaches, big cities, and even Hollywood. I'm here to study, party, and have fun. Let's go. California has so many fun places. Look at these. Los Angeles, home of Hollywood. San Francisco, famous for the Golden Gate Bridge. San Diego, beautiful beaches and the biggest zoo. Sacramento, the capital of California. Fresno, near Yosemite National Park. Santa Monica, a fun boardwalk by the beach. Anaheim, home of Disneyland. Palm Springs, sunny, warm, and full of palm trees. San Jose, a big city in Silicon Valley. Lake Tahoe, snowy mountains and a big lake. Before we start learning, let's check out some cool facts about California. 1. California is the most populated state in the US. 2. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most photographed bridges in the world. 3. Silicon Valley is home to the biggest tech companies like Apple and Google. 4. Disneyland, the happiest place on earth, is in Anaheim. 5. California grows more fruits and vegetables than any other state. 6. Hollywood is where most movies and TV shows are made. 7. Lake Tahoe is one of the largest alpine lakes in North America. 8. California is home to the world's tallest trees, redwoods. 9. It has the most national parks in the US. 9 in total. Death Valley is the hottest place in the US. Friends, let's jump right in. We have a lot to study. We are going to do some additions. The way I do it is by counting out the strokes and adding them. For example, 2 plus 2 is 2 strokes, 1, 2, then another 1, 2. Then I add them by counting them together, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it is super easy. So join me. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10 plus 11 equals 21. 10 plus 12 equals 22. 10 plus 13 equals 23. 10 plus 14 equals 24. 10 plus 15 equals 25. 10 plus 16 equals 26. 10 plus 17 equals 27. 10 plus 18 equals 28. 10 plus 19 equals 29. Let's take a break. Friends, that's a lot of numbers and still have a lot to study. Okay, let's get back to work. We still have so much to cover. 10 plus 20 equals 30. 10 plus 21 equals 31. 10 plus 22 equals 32. 10 plus 23 equals 33. 10 plus 24 equals 34. 10 plus 2 equals 35. 10 plus 26 equals 36. 10 plus 27 equals 37. 10 plus 28 equals 38. 10 plus 29 equals 39. Let's take a break. Friends, that's a lot of numbers and still have a lot to study. Wow, that was fun! Okay, let's get back to work. We still have so much to cover. 10 plus 30 equals 40. 10 plus 31 equals 41. 10 plus 32 equals 42. 10 plus 33 equals 43. 10 plus 34 equals 44. 10 plus 35 equals 45. 10 plus 36 equals 46. 10 plus 37 equals 47. 10 plus 38 equals 48. 10 plus 39 equals 49. 10 plus 40 equals 50. Good job, friends! Where should we go next? Please like, subscribe, and share with friends and family. See you soon!